In this video, we will be going through the process of creating a service level agreement, or SLA. A SLA is a documented agreement between a service provider and a customer that identifies both services required and the expected level of service. Before setting up your SLA, you'll need to ensure that your business hours are up to date within the system. To do this, we'll head into the admin portal and select business hours. You'll notice that a default calendar is already set within your portal. Click on Default Calendar and proceed to update your working days and working hours. Feel free to update the name and description as well and click Save when you're finished. Now that our business hours are up to date, we can proceed to create the SLA. Head back into the admin portal and click Service Level Agreement. You can define SLA service targets so that you and your technicians can monitor your service level performance and meet your service level goals. Atera highlights tickets that fail to meet these targets so that you can promptly identify and adjust problems. You'll notice a default SLA profile is already available. You may either update this profile or click on Add New SLA to begin creating a new SLA profile. There are no limits to how many SLA profiles you can create. For this demonstration, we'll create a new SLA. You'll begin by assigning a name to the profile. Then selecting the calendar of business hours from the drop-down field. You can optionally enter a description and notes as you see fit. In the next section named Impact, you will define the terms of the SLA from the targets. There are two types of targets: first response, the parameters for when you need to first respond to a ticket. The second is for closed tickets, for the amount of time it takes to close a ticket. For each target, there are various types of service impacts. You have a range from no impact to crisis. You need to define how much time the SLA provides for resolving each impact for the relevant target. You can set these according to minutes, hours, or days, depending on how you want to establish your parameters. Once you're finished, click Save. Now you have completed setting up your SLA profile and can begin assigning the SLA profile to your customers' contracts. For more information on SLAs, please visit our extensive knowledge base articles or contact our support team directly.